Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore background sync with WorkManager on Android step by step clearly. To restore background sync with WorkManager on Android, start by opening your Android Studio project. Ensure you have the latest WorkManager dependency added to your apps.build.gradle file. Sync the project to download the necessary libraries. Next, create a new class that extends worker. Override the doWork method within this class to define the task that needs to be performed in the background. Make sure to handle any exceptions that may occur during this process. Now, in your main activity or wherever you need to trigger the sync, create an instance of the one-time work request or periodic work request. Use the work request builder to configure your request as needed. For instance, you can set constraints to ensure that the task only runs when the device is connected to Wi-Fi. Call WorkManager.getInstance, context.enqueue, work request, to schedule the work. Verify the status of the work using WorkManager.getInstance, context.getWorkInfo by ID live data, workRequest.getID. Observe the live data to handle the results or updates of the work request. If needed, set up an appropriate worker class to handle retries or failures. Test your implementation on a physical device to ensure that background sync works as expected. Make sure to monitor battery performance and device resource usage during the background operations. Finally, refine your logic to ensure efficient use of resources while keeping user experience in mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.